Hello YouTube, my name is Jagger Wolf and welcome back to another video. I just want to thank you guys for all the support on the previous video, and I really appreciate the comments you guys commented in the video. I will definitely do more vlogs in the auto body shop. Make sure you stay tuned and don't forget to turn on the post notifications and subscribe for more videos like this. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video and thanks for watching. Peace. Y'all doing a vlog? It's your first time on here. I'm pretty sure it's your second time.
Yeah.
Because no, I recorded you before with the paint. How much is that?
17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23.
Better flip that wrist. Ooh. You guys can see we covered up the bullet holes. It's a Corolla, by the way. Even got flat tires. So we put fiberglass in it, and then we just glued the fiberglass. 3 layers of fiberglass in the holes. And I'm not sure what we're gonna do next, but we have to wait for 45 minutes for it to dry.
Strawberry smoothie, hash brown, a cheeseburger, hot cakes, sausage. That's what the Lord should do.
Is it hooked up? I believe this is an inline 6 engine. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, inline 6. Because if it was a V6, it would have a V inline 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cylinders, like inside, yeah. And this is a boxer engine from a Subaru, but I don't know if it's from. I think it's from an Outback. I believe this is where the engine came out from. Yeah. And I believe this came out of Audi S8. I'm not sure. I forgot what the teacher said, but yeah, you can see the transmission and the engine. Oh, time to open the garage for whoever's honking. Which side is he coming from? Oh. Breaking skills later.
He just drives like that, just like a madman. Like GTA said. That's like a GTA too.
What was your reaction?
Like, what the hell?
And y'all see that, bro? My man just pulled in like a G.
Like, oh, here.
My man just a number 9's large, a number 6 with extra dip, 2 number 45s, extra cheese, 1 with cheese, and a large soda. And they said, damn, Big Smoke, you fat ass hungry?
He was driving like a pizza delivery driver, for sure. Smells old.
Okay, is it leaking?
This smells good. Yeah, it definitely smells like it.
Okay,
Everyone
guys,
exposed. He likes to smell like gasoline.
Hell yeah, guess it's smoking.
When unhook it. Now, guys, you're gonna switch. You guys that were working on the Ford, you're working on the Chevy, or whatever, General Motors. Get in, you guys are on this same procedure.
I kind of back
It's
to that.
time to get to lay down on the job.
It smells like lung cancer.
Yeah, well.
The car's trying so hard to be electric.
Yeah, I know. Hey, you know what? This car has volunteered itself on its deathbed. So you guys will get a lot of use out of it.
This thing's already dead. It's hard to
Yeah. This car has donated itself so you can
ooze in your hand.
Irvin said it smelled good. I mean, it was alright, but yeah.
I used to love it when I was a kid. Now,
Yeah, my mom thought I was crazy. I was like, it smells good. She's like, what?
no, it smells too strong.
Yeah, that was too strong. Yeah, why do people keep calling me Willie?
I don't know.
Alright. What you talking about, Willie?
What guy?
Plastic.
This shit ain't gonna. What?
So basically, just trying to stick the needle in the box.
Here, take it.
Alright, go ahead.
This shot my wig.
I'm about to see if I can get it again.
This.
Go ahead.
Damn.
I got.
Watch out.
Did he get it again? Oh.
Oh shit. Alright.
What was that?
Little man. Christian.
Oh.
Did he get it in?
Yeah, he got it in.
Oh, dang. That went off. Said delivery guy. No, it's because we said because the way he drove in, it was like a pizza delivery guy. It was just like, yeah. Now he's driving out to deliver more pizza.
That's how I drive on GTA. When they say,
Watch out.
when they say you reach your destination, I say skirt. Hit the little drift button and pull in just like that, but smooth.
11 o'clock, who's ringing my phone? I'm just cool, laid back like Nina Simone. I don't recognize the number though, so I let the number go, then I text the number, yo. Who's this? What's happening? Who's hollering? While I'm stretched back, maxing in. Text reads, yo, something's going on. Then I think you should reach, cause something's going on.